Monument Mesa 415BZ. I'm always impressed by Monument how they can stick so many pieces and parts in such a small box. This grill is made out of stainless steel, and in my opinion, it is a tad better quality than your typical run-of-the-mill stainless steel build. You have 450 square inches of cooking space on the bottom rack, and the top warming rack is 180 square inches. The cooking grates are enamel-coated cast iron. The Mesa during the burn-off got up to 750 degrees, but I did have that broil zone burner on. Now you talk about an extra burner that does magic. I really like this broil zone. All 5 burners in the chamber mount up to 50,000 BTUs, and the side burner has 12,000 BTUs, which easily will get a rolling boil in less than a couple minutes. You have 2 stationary side shelves with plenty of hooks on both ends to be able to hang up your tools. One really nice feature that the Mesa has, it has a clear view lid, but when it comes to glass on a gas grill, be ready to clean it with some vinegar because they get dirty pretty quickly. In the bottom cabinet, not only can you store your LP tank, you also have some room where you can put some of your cooking equipment and utensils. You have 4 rotating and locking casters, and on a smooth surface, the pit moves around pretty easily. But those plastic casters, they're not going to move around very easily on gravel. During the burnt toast test, the only one that I noticed that looked any different was that back right-hand corner. So maybe you avoid cooking on that back right-hand corner, and that just becomes more of a holding zone. Hands down, my favorite part about the Mesa is the broil zone. Now just take a look at that complete sear on that ribeye steak. And if you've grilled enough before, you know the sear is where the flavor is at. Now one cool extra feature on this Monument is that the knobs light up. I know that's really cool in the city. Now up here in Gold's country, we aren't probably going to turn those on a lot because the skeeters are going to get you. With the Mesa Monument, you can get some really great accessories like a rotisserie,